Now, if any one of you have looked at those texts, you will be very interested to know how the urban agenda, the way we understand in terms of what needs to be done, how we can, through urban planning process, prevent locking of carbon in infrastructure and emissions, that has really hogged quite a big space in the negotiation table. And there, in the urban setting, we are looking at the urban agenda in terms of what are we going to do with the built environment, transport and mobility, material efficiency, waste and waste minimization. So it is a kind of a very, very multifaceted strategy that we are looking at to be able to make a dent in the emissions. Now, if that's where it is in terms of the global agenda, and if that's the way the demands on us is going to increase in the future, then clearly our own response also has to be very strong. And that is the global and the local connect that we want to keep in mind as we move forward. And in that local connect, we know that Indian policies are changing quite rapidly now. In fact, the new generation policies around built environment, on transport, around thermal comfort, these have begun to emerge, and we know that we are kind of following the right governance principles around them. But that also takes us to the next question, that if policies are changing, how ready are we, how prepared are we to bridge the gap between the policy and action? And that's the question we have for the floor today. Because here you have the policymakers